Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after the market opening, there is not much volume, there is not much volatility. Market is trading in a range. If you look at a daily chart also, okay, we can clearly see the market is still standing at the record high, and as we have already discussed on Saturday also, that it looks like a bullish flag. But the problem is that market is still standing here, and there is a possibility that till Wednesday, yes, till Wednesday, market may remain the same. Okay, why? Because on Wednesday, okay, we have a major event. Okay, we have the FOMC, Federal Interest Rate Decision. You guys must know that, okay, it's a major event that can change the direction of the market as well. In the last CPI, gold did not move. That was a really shocking, but okay, we can expect some good moves during the upcoming FOMC. And before a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, market prefers to stay sideways or choppy. So we can expect gold to remain choppy. It means that if market drops also, we can expect 3600 to provide support to the market. And on the upside, we have around 3675, I guess, yes, this high. So this will be the range till Wednesday. And as we all know, that market is standing at a swing high, and market always move in a zigzag pattern. So obviously it should come down, isn't it? But before FOMC, chances are little less. Okay, let's wait and watch. Obviously, this is not a very healthy level to initiate a swing trade. But if you're a day trader, stick to the levels. That is the key. And it's a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that yes, there is some action going on the 15 minutes time frame. So if you are a day trader, then you may find some opportunities, but if you're looking for some good opportunity that you can hold for the next few days, then this is not the right time. After FOMC, you may get some opportunities, but right now, sticking to the levels 40 to 50 pips seems to be the key. Okay, so where are the levels then? So in the morning, market dropped, and surprisingly our support of 3627 worked again. In the last video we did not discuss about 3627 because previously, okay, it gave us some good profit, but yes, we can see 3627 work as a support again in the market. And now during the day, okay, we have two more supports left, which are 362018. Okay, that we have already discussed in our video on Saturday. This is first support where we can look for a buy position. Second support is around 3613, 3611. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold, or next two levels on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position. Why? Because we can expect the market to remain choppy. I'm not expecting a trend reversal before FOMC, or I'm not expecting gold to go for a new all-time high also. Market, as we have already discussed on Saturday also, the market will remain like this. If it remains like this, then obviously, okay, if it comes to a level and behave according to expectation, we can look for a buy position. So these are the two support levels. Why are we considering? Because market has taken support around these area previously. For detailed analysis, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. We have discussed in detail. See, apart from these two support levels, I do not see any other strong buy position on the chart of gold right now, because see, at the time of recording the video in the Asian session, okay, we do not have much to discuss. Obviously, the market will evolve, okay, during the European session and US session. But yes, as a day trader, if you see some buying opportunity around, or market showing some price rejection around 28-27 area, you can also go for a buy. Do not expect crazy amount of profit. If you get 40 to 50 pips, also decent enough, because in a market like this, in a sideways market, choppy market, 40 to 50 pips also good enough. In a trending market, you can target 300, 400, 500 pips, but you need to understand that not all market conditions can deliver you the same. So today, if 27 to 28 acts as a support, minor support, okay, you can look for a buy here as well. Keep in mind, this is a minor support, and 2018 11 13 are the major ones, but no level is permanent. In case you see there's a heavy selling going on in the market, okay, then do not trade blindly. And 3600 is a round number, psychological support, so we can expect some buying around this area as well. So these are the opportunities if market drops from the current level. Agar market niche aata hai, so here we can look for buy. But if market goes up, what to do? It is a little bit confusing here because overall the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. You can watch any time frame. Okay, you will get the answer. And in a bullish market like this, okay, taking a sell can be very, very dangerous. So I am not expecting any super selling opportunity here. But as a day trader, we can look for some high risk. Yes, I'm mentioning high risk sell around 3650. Okay, if market shows prices action from above, you can look for a selling opportunity on 3650. Personally, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it or not, but yeah, you can look for a sell. Why? Because previous price ejection around the area and it's a round number. So if we combine both the factors, then we can expect some sort of selling. I'm not very sure, but as a day trader, scalper, you can try. Okay. And as we have already discussed in the previous videos also, that 3657, 3658 is going to act as a strong zone. Market needs to cross the red line here, then only we can expect gold to be bullish again. Okay, so I am not suggesting any sell position. If you want to sell, it's your personal choice, it's your personal call. But yes, gold needs to break 57.58 because many beginners take a sell position, they do not know where to book the profit, and profit booking is something very dynamic. I cannot tell you that you can easily expect 70, 80 pips, 50 pips, because after 20, 30 pips also you may see market going up again. Why? Because resistance doesn't mean reversal, support doesn't guarantee reversals. Okay, you need to understand the trend of the market and plan your trades accordingly. For example, okay, I'm just going out of syllabus, don't mind. Okay, suppose a market is super bullish, very much bullish. Okay, and there is a resistance. If there is a resistance, then what do you expect? Do you expect a reversal? No. If a market is being bullish because of some fundamental reason, then obviously resistance doesn't have the capacity to reverse the market. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, what the resistance can do is, okay, it can just hold the market for some time. Eventually it will break the resistance and go up. Similarly, okay, if a market is in downtrend because of some news and there is a very strong support, suppose this is a strong support, okay, this box, then obviously if it is a very strong support, market will just go up a little bit for 20-30 pips and then market will go down again. You cannot blame the support that it did not work. No, you don't know how to make it work. Okay, so resistance doesn't guarantee reversal. So 365758 also, okay, doesn't guarantee that market will reverse. No, I'm just expecting gold to go up from here, but if you want to sell, it's your personal choice. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Market will remain choppy. If you're a beginner, then you may find it difficult to trade in a market condition like this, so do not gamble. Okay, if you find it difficult, then you don't need to trade, okay, in every market condition, because every trader has a strong trading what to say zone or trading style. Suppose some traders are very good with trending markets, some are very good with sideways market, so you need to find your trading strategy. If you're good with sideways market, choppy market, then you can, okay, make some good money. But if you're good with trending market, then you need to be cautious. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.